In this video, we are going to discuss criteria for similarity of the triangles. We already have studied that to show that given two triangles are similar, first of all, we need to show that all the corresponding angles are equal as well as all the corresponding sides are in a proportion. So when sides will be in proportion, if we take ratios of all the corresponding sides and if all those ratios are equal, we can say that corresponding sides are in proportion, right? So we have to show all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in proportion to show that given two triangles are similar. But every time it is not at all required to show all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in proportion. So we have shortcuts to show that given two triangles are similar. That is nothing but criteria for similarity of the triangles. Unlike we have studied the criteria of congruency of the triangles in class 9th. So let us start with the first one. The first criteria of similarity of the triangles is angle criteria, that is AAA criteria. This criteria states that if in two triangles all the corresponding angles are equal, then two triangles are similar. It's quite simple. So even if we can only show that all the corresponding angles of the given two triangles are equal, it is sufficient to say that given two triangles are similar by angle similarity criteria. Now next thing, to understand this, let us see a note before proceeding further. Even if two angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of the another triangle, then also we can say that these two triangles are similar by angle similarity criteria. Now what will happen if two corresponding angles of the given two triangles are equal? It means that third angle will be automatically equal to the corresponding angle or remaining angle of the second triangle. So in that way also angle criteria of the similarity will be satisfied. See, here we do not require to show that corresponding sides are in proportion, because even if only angles are equal, both the triangles will hold the same shape and definitely their size will be different, and we want only same shape and it will be satisfied by that angle similarity criteria. Let us take one example to understand the angle similarity criteria. Here let us consider triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In these two triangles we can see that angle B is equal to angle E because each of them is 60 degrees, and angle C is equal to angle F because both of them are 40 degrees. Now if you see about measurement of angle A, will be 80 degrees by angle sum property of the triangle. Similarly, if you find measurement of angle D in triangle DEF, that will be also equal to 80 degrees by using the angle sum property of the triangle. So automatically our third angle becomes equal. So we can say that it is sufficient for us to show any two corresponding angles of the given two triangles equal to show that they are similar. So here we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by angle similarity criteria. Okay. Now let us see the second criteria of the similarity, that is side similarity criteria. In this criteria, even if we show that all the corresponding sides of the given two triangles are in proportion, it is sufficient to say that given two triangles are similar. So let us see the statement here. So if in two triangles all the corresponding sides are in proportion, then two triangles are similar. So this is the side similarity criteria. By using only this, we can say that given two triangles are similar. So even if we show that all the corresponding sides of the given two triangles are in proportion, then given two triangles are similar. Let us take one example to understand side similarity criteria. Let us consider the figure first of all. We have given triangle ABC and triangle DEF. The measurements of all the sides are already given. Now let us consider triangle ABC and triangle DEF. We are going to show that all the sides of the given two triangles are in proportion. We do not have any information about the angles. To show that the all sides of given two triangles are in proportion, we will take the ratios of the corresponding sides. So first of all, let us take ratio of AB upon DE. AB and DE are the corresponding sides. So that will be equal to 3 upon 4.5. Adding the simplest form, we'll get it is equal to 2 by 3. Let us call this as equation number 1. Now, let us take the ratio of BC and EF. BC is 6 centimeters, EF is 9 centimeters. Writing the simplest form, we will find that it is equal to 2 by 3. So let us call this as equation number 2. And now let us take the ratios of the remaining sides, that is AC and DF. AC is 8 centimeters, DF is 12 centimeters. So taking the ratio of them, we'll get it is equal to 2 by 3. Let us call this as equation number 3. So from equations 1, 2 and 3, we can see that all the values of the ratios are equal. It means that AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. This can be written from equations 1, 2 and 3. So this is called as all the corresponding sides are in proportion. So to show that, what we have done, we have taken the ratios of the corresponding sides and we have shown that all the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. It means that corresponding sides are in proportion, and if this holds true, we can say that given two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEF, are similar by side similarity criteria. Let us discuss the third similarity criteria, that is side angle side similarity criteria. Let us see the statement of this criteria first of all. If two sides of a triangle are in proportion with the corresponding sides of the another triangle and angles included between these sides are equal, then two triangles are similar. So let us see the meaning of the statement of this criteria by using an example. So let us consider one example and figure. We have given triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 2 centimeters, AC is equal to 4 centimeters and angle A is equal to 50 degrees, while we have given another triangle DEF in which DE is equal to 3 centimeters, DF is equal to 6 centimeters and angle D is equal to 50 degrees. So here we will see how to use side angle side criteria. So first of all, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, first of all we'll find out the ratios of the corresponding sides AB and DE. So AB upon DE is nothing but 2 centimeter upon 3 centimeters. If you write simplest form, we'll get 2 upon 3. Let us call this as equation number 1. Another information we have about corresponding sides AC and DF. Let us take their ratio, which will be equal to 4 upon 6 centimeters. So writing simplest form, it is again equal to 2 by 3. Let us call this as equation number 2. So from equations 1 and 2, we can see that AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. Means these two ratios are equal. Means we can say that these two corresponding sides are in proportion with the another triangle. Now we have included angle between these two corresponding sides. We have AB and AC. These sides are in proportion with their corresponding sides, and angle included between them is angle A is equal to angle included between the corresponding sides, that is angle D. So angle A and D are equal, which is equal to 50 degrees. So we can say that as the corresponding sides are in proportion and angle included between them is equal, these two triangles are similar by side angle side similarity criteria. So to use this criteria, we have to show that any two sides of the first triangle are in proportion with corresponding sides of the second triangle and angle included between them is also equal. Now let us see a note This note will give us fourth similarity criteria, which can be considered as RHS similarity criteria. In that, we will see the statement: if in two right triangles hypotenuse and one side of first triangle are proportional to the hypotenuse and corresponding side of the other triangle, then two triangles are similar. So if we have given two right triangles, so in that two right triangles corresponding hypotenuse must be in proportion, and any one of the remaining side must be in proportion with the corresponding side. Then we can say that these two triangles are similar by RHS similarity criteria.